day, my friend from Tati's Cookies sent over her gingerbread making kits for us to try out. So we decided, in true Uy fashion, we're gonna have a competition because nothing says spirit of Christmas like a little friendly competition. These are our contestants. On Team A, you have Liam, Katie, and Zoe. What is this? The Gen Alpha team?
Oh yeah!
Gen Alpha team. And then on Team B, we have Izzy.
The worst
Gavin's not yet here. Our Gen Zers. Come
The
here
worst
first.
generation, Gen Z.
My gosh.
True.
Oh wow, trash talk already and we haven't even started. Let's see what's in these. These are, oh, this is a Christmas cookie kit.
Yeah.
Christmas tree kits. I saw this. So what you do is you decorate the tree. Like the cookies come in different sizes and then you decorate all of them and then you pile them up and they get smaller and smaller so they look like a tree. This is so cool. Okay.
But those are the gingerbread.
And this is the gingerbread house. I see. You guys all build the house together, but it's a competition. So let's do like you guys do one half of the house and you do the other.
Yeah!
Okay? Okay, so it's still just one house. You gotta work together to build it. The competition is how to decorate it, alright?
Yeah, okay.
And then, if we have time, we can do individual decorations. And this I can save for when the little munchkiddies wake up from their nap and they can do this. Perfect! I'm so excited! Okay guys, what's the game plan?
We divide the house in half.
Alright.
Make a line in the middle.
Yeah, let's make a line in the middle.
Yeah, and then
Oh,
make it like a different story.
What do you mean?
Make it different. We're gonna design
You want
different.
the house to be two different designs?
Yeah. Like two other worlds.
Oh.
It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside, baby. Won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you, and I know it will be a magic holiday. You make it all okay.
Over here.
And then fill it out with something. Fill it out. Wait, why here? That looks odd. Here.
Team is falling apart.
Okay, there.
Ah, okay.
What's the plan so far?
now.
Don't know what's happening actually.
It's you and me, a magic holiday. The fire is burning bright, and the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your arms, that whole world disappears. 'Cause when I'm feeling down,
Oh no.
Dude, this looks completely different from when you started.
Can you just wipe it off?
Wow! A marbled roof.
Let me just, give me...
Wow!
You know what yours looks like, Lee?
What?
It's like a sandwich with ketchup and mustard, and then some chives and mayonnaise. Yeah, look at that.
What happened? I was gone for just a few seconds.
It's easier to decorate it if it's down.
Oh, okay.
magic holiday. The rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. A magic holiday. A magic.
What did you make?
This is a random ball of white frosting that I found. So then I rolled it in green sprinkles that was on the floor after making that. And now we have this.
You make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away.
Tito, we haven't given up. Aren't you proud of us?
So very proud.
It's a marshmallow house.
It's like a
Oh, we're done.
Halloween house.
Just stop touching. Wait, we have that side.
It's like a
And that
Halloween.
side. After they're done, lang. It's okay, I like it.
Someone's proud.
I see. I like the marshmallow action here, but I love the brick action here too. Wow. Ooh, I also like the Christmas tree and the snowman here. I think that I should decide. Or this side. You choose.
Let them see from
This side.
The middle.
Straight down the middle. Scott, that's not how contests are won.
Scott, decide. Which side is nicer?
Scott, come here, come to I have it. Not this side, huh?
This side. No bribing.
He chose Ayagavin's side.
Wow, we have a winner. So now,
Way to make sausage.
the little kids can decorate the individual cookies.
Okay, don't squeeze too hard, don't squeeze too hard. Just gently.
Connor and the mommies can make. Savvy, this one,
Color,
funny,
choose
funny.
color. You want red or white?
Oh, wait, there's already
So
open.
shop, this is so cool, the concept.
Just the
give me
outer-
one.
Outside.
It's a bunch of little cookies getting smaller, and then you stack them after they're all iced, and it looks like a tree. Isn't that so cute?
I'll cut it out first. Move your finger.
Squeeze, heavy squeeze.
This is our box of icings, and then here's the toppings.
This side is perfect already.
You can
Yeah.
use this for
Next-
spread.
Next one. You can use that to spread also.
Wow.
I think that is stacked together.
Wow.
Or together.
Stack it, stack it.
Is it perfect enough?
Yeah.
Mine is perfect enough.
Yeah, di ba
Like
kita
this,
our workshop. You just use that.
You're making
Glue.
like this.
Okay, I thought it would be like glue.
Look who's the winner now.
I will.
Oh, stop! What you doing? Okay, rest first, rest first.
Next one.
Okay, it's enough.
Uy, isa naman ang akong color. Green na akong tree.
Yellow.
No, there. Shop, this box is full of icing. Use whatever you like.
I need help. I have a child.
Wait, Chop, we have to share the tree.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, di ba, Jack?
Yeah, sure.
So this one goes in the bottom.
Damn, wala mo nagingon.
Here, oh.
Ano?
Wait, let her watch the whole video.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yes, this is what we're making, mommy.
Oh, ikaw, yung dogs. Ikaw about dogs.
Video.
That's so pretty.
Ako ibalik ha.
I'll decorate it first.
Sassy messed it up.
Ay, nako, si Sevi, yun.
Sassy.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow.
Can I see what you make? Wow, how beautiful.
I'm to make it pa.
You want to add some more? Go for it.
You decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical. Yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The dark is wrong. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. We're just so far yet close. I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for.
Okay, I made a star wreath with Silly as my decor.
Sure, why not?
But I shouldn't decorate the inside, right?
Yeah, because we're gonna pile it.
What's the other red?
We're just so far yet close. I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow.
That was a little intense. Everyone's gone home now. Here are the cookies that we made. So once everybody got their chance to kind of play around with everything, I took the opportunity to make the Christmas tree for myself because the kids were mostly focusing on making just one cookie at a time and they didn't really understand the concept of having to stack it. So well, to be honest, I just had so much fun doing it, so I kind of hogged this one to myself and did this on my own. It's a little short. The actual kit comes with like twice this amount, but we split it among the kids so I could have my fun and they could have their fun. But look at this thing. Isn't it so cute? I love it so much. I think it's so adorable. It's definitely a whole afternoon activity, especially if you have as many kids as we do in our family. If you're a smaller family, it's gonna be a lot more chill. You can take your time with it. It's really nice. The best part about it is because these kits came from Tati's Cookies, you know they're gonna be delicious. So, let's have a bite. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. 100% recommend. Happy, family-friendly activity. And at the end of the day, you get a really good treat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
It's cute, Connor. It's not gonna be coordinated, you know, since we're sharing.
Sige lang eh. Ako nalingaw ako.
Basta nalingawang
Is
mama.
this good enough?
Yeah.
Now what do I do?
Now we add some. You wanna add some color to this?
Done na?
Add some red.
Bored na ka?
Wait,
Bored.
So cute!
Bored.
I add some
Bored na
red
siya, bored.
here.